This was a question about the fund-to-funds model. A simple breakdown of this to share to kind of understand how it works. So you have like an original deal, like call this Horizon deal, and it's got a 70-30 split, $3 million of equity. The LP returns on that, maybe 20% and a 2x. So a $100,000 investment for an LP turns out to should be $200,000. The opportunity you have as a fund manager, I've talked with the deal owner, the manager of the deal. They said, okay, I'll give you an 85-15 split. So my return looks like 25% and a 2.25 multiple instead of 2. So what that comes over is the fund of funds invests $1 million, and the fund actually will receive $2.5 million. This is where I'm getting through to what I call the arbitrage kind of play. So my LP investors, I get 2.25. I'm going to do a new split down to my LPs that are in this fund. These LPs are going to get the same return as these LPs, 20%, 2x. So 100,000 invested gets 200,000. 10 investors, let's say for $100,000 each, that's $1 million times 2, so it's $2 million that I pay out to my investors. I brought in $2.25 million because I negotiated better terms with the manager. I pay out my investors $2 million. The fund, like I said, had $2.25 million. I pay out my LPs. I had some expenses. So the one difference in the fund versus investing like being a GP directly on a deal. So there's two ways you can do that legally. Be a GP on the deal, raise capital in the deal, or you can open your fund and do a fund of funds. There's some expenses. This is a new legal set of documents over here. Subscription agreement and PPM. There's some costs for CPAs. I need to file taxes now with a new LLC. This will have its own LLC. And I need to file K1s for my investors. So what happens though is the basic way we've been talking all along is the GP return. Like if I'm raising capital, and this is usually what I would get paid, $150,000. If I go through this process here, I can increase my return as a fund manager and negotiate terms better and increase my return as a fund manager. My opportunity now is $240,000. So there's a little more work. There's a piece, though. Some of y'all may really like this because your investors are strictly in your fund with you. They stay with you, so there's no crisscross. They're not investing into massive capital. They're directly into your fund that you own, so they stay there directly with you. You do a little bit more work, but you get a better return as well.
Come meet us live and become a real estate investor with us. Make money, grow, and help the community as well. So this is what I love to do every day as a real estate investor. I love to connect with you throughout our social media, and I love to make money with you as well.